Reset forgotten computer password. Step 1. Download Hiren's boot CD from the official website. Link in description. Step 2. Also download ISO to USB, link in description. Then, insert pen drive and install ISO to USB. While installing, don't forget to browse ISO file, downloaded file from step 1, and select USB drive. Click Burn then Yes. Step 3. Insert that USB drive or CD into your computer that need to be reset. And reboot your computer. Step 4. Enter your computer's BIOS settings by pressing the F2 or Del key, depending on your computer model, during startup. Step 5. Change the boot order to boot from the USB drive or CD. Step 6. Save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Step 7. Hiren's boot CD will start to load on your computer. Then go to Start, then All Programming and click Security. Next, click Passwords, then NT Password Edit. Step 8. Click Open option. Select Administrator, then click Change Password. Now, you can set new password. Then click OK and save changes. Then exit. Step 9. Restart your computer and take out USB drive or CD. Step 10. Log into your computer using your new password. Thanks for watching. White Heart, please subscribe.